Okay, be honest. How many times have you Googled what software should an electrical engineer learn? And you ended up with 20 different answers, feeling more lost than before. AutoCAD, MATLAB, ETAP, Python, PLC, everyone is telling you to learn everything. You don't have to learn it all. You just need to learn the right stuff for your dream job. I'm going to clear the confusion today. We are creating the ultimate software list for electrical engineers, broken down based on specific industry. By end of this, you will have a crystal clear learning path. So let's understand it. First, let's set the rule. We are ranking the softwares as must learn, highly recommended, niche but powerful. Let's understand this. Must learn, non-negotiable, the absolute fundamental. If you don't know these, you are at major disadvantage. Highly recommended are highly valuable, industry standard tools that will make you stand out. Niche but powerful, specialized tools. Crucial if you are in that specific field, but it's not for everyone. Your specific field changes everything. So we will split this into 3 industries: power system, electronics and PCB design, control and automation. Alright, let's get into the main part of the video. The universal skill which everyone has to learn, that is MATLAB and Simulink. This is king of all the softwares. It doesn't matter if you are in power, electronics or controls. For modeling, simulation, control design and data analysis, this is mandatory skill. You must be comfortable with this. Learning this is not optional. Let's talk based on the fields. First, the power system. Must learn ETAP. This is the industry standard for power system analysis. Load flow, short circuit calculation, relay coordination. If you want to work in power sector, this on your resume is a massive green flag. It can be noticed by the recruiters. Let's come to highly recommended. AutoCAD Electrical Revit MEP for designing schematics, layout for substations and building electrical systems. It is essential for design engineers in construction and power distribution. Niche but powerful. Here, PSCAD for deeper, more specialized transmission systems analysis. If you are aiming for R&D in power grid, this is your niche. Next is electronics and PCB design. Must learn a PCB design suite, KiCad, Eagle, Altium Designer. You must know how to design a printed circuit board. KiCad is great free start. Altium is the industry gold standard. Highly recommended LT Spice, PSpice. Free and incredibly powerful circuit simulators, essential for validating your designs before you even touch a physical component. Niche but powerful. Here, CAD/CAMS or OrCAD, Synopsys, HSpice, the high-end tools used by semiconductor giants. Learn this if you are aiming for VLSI or chip design roles. Last is the control and automation engineer. Must have a PLC programming platform, Siemens TIA, that is totally integrated automation portal, Rockwell Allen Bradley Studio 5000. This is the language of industrial automation. You can't work on factory automation, robotics or SCADA systems without this. The skill alone can get you hired. Highly recommended. Here, Python with libraries like NumPy, Pandas for data analysis, machine learning, application in controls and automation scripting. It's becoming as important as MATLAB. Now, niche but powerful. SCADA softwares, Ignition, VNCC, VT SCADA for visualizing and controlling the entire industrial process. Niche but extremely valuable. Now, as you have understood, the must-have, highly recommended, niche but powerful softwares which you can learn based on the industry which we have discussed. You must be overloaded with the information and confused to choose the particular software and the industry. Then here's an actionable 3-step plan which I'm going to share with you. Step 1, choose your specific field. You have to pick a focus. You cannot master all the 3 fields at once and the softwares are relevant to it. What excited you the most? Power grid, circuit design, factory automation? You need to decide on your own. Step 2, start with the must-have skills. You need to learn MATLAB and Simulink as it is a universal skill which we have already discussed earlier. It's not optional, it's mandatory to learn for all the industries and the field. Then choose your specialization and immediately dive into the must-have skills for your chosen path. For example, if you choose controls, then PLC software. If you go for power, then start with the basics of ETAP. For electronics, you can even download KiCad and build a simple PCB. Step 3, build a project. Learning a software theoretically is useless. Build a concrete project. Here are some examples. Simulate a solar grid, connect to the main grid using ETAP. You can also design, stimulate and order a PCB for Bluetooth controlled relay using KiCad and LT Spice. Another example is program a virtual traffic light system using a TIA portal. You have to build a real-time project because these projects is what you talk about in the interviews. So it is a kind of proof of your experience. And don't forget to check the description because I have given the list of project ideas and it is definitely going to help you to build some real-time project. Remember, you don't need to know every software. You need to know the right software deeply. So for that, you need to master your must-have skills, highly recommended, niche but powerful skills, which we have discussed irrespective to the specific industry you choose. Then you have to build a real-time project. And believe me, as a recruiter, I'm sharing this with you. You can be ahead of 90% of freshers if you do this. You will be confident and recruiters will notice it. This is a conversation I want to have with you all. Please let me know in the comment section which path are you choosing, power, electronics or control. I will help you personally with the softwares and guide you on that. If this video saved your hours of confusion and Google searches, then please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more such career advices for the engineers because we are building an amazing community here. Share this video with your friends who are still confused and see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching Tech Job Guides.